drove my new EcoSport to work today. Let me know if you guys want a review on that. I think it'd be a decent video. Anyways, so got the headlights out, fog lights out, which were a little interesting, but not that hard. Now I am taping it up to do a stripe along the bottom panel and the bumper around the whole car. I think that'd be cool. Do a black stripe, a little white on top. Still have to replace the alternator because the alternator, owner said the alternator was bad on this. We got a new one. That'll be something to do. But for now, I'm just going to set it down and start working. Also, I think it might be beneficial to just cut along like this line here and open this up, get more room to the radiator. And I can take this off and we could put some hood pins on. That'll open up some room to the radiator too. Alright, before I actually paint the bumper, I need to take off the rear license plate and take out the rear fogs. I forgot I had rear fogs, so I'm going to do that now, and might as well do the rear tail lights too while I'm at it. There we go. Hey guys, what are you listening to today? I'm listening to The Chain by Fleetwood Mac. Let me know down in the comments what you guys are listening to. While I keep taking these tail lights off. Finally! This thing has no business having this many screws. See? Let me know if my painting job is terrible in the comments. Race car. Dusty. All right, so we got the black on. So I made a gap. I did this backwards, I totally did. But I'm gonna try to do a white stripe on the top here, so here goes nothing. Oh well. Stuff comes out way faster than that black can did. Nah, just leave that.
Alright, give myself a break from the floor scraping I'm doing, and we'll come check out how Cody's coming along here.
$1.92 Walmart cans don't do shit. But eventually, this will get done. It's just going to take 3 times as long. Luckily, I got 3 times the cans.
There you go.
So, I covered up the white stripe. I should have done that first and then put the black on it, but I covered it up and then covered up the overspray with some more black. And
so now it's gonna have an orange stripe too.
yeah, it's gonna have an orange stripe for the first level, but that's fine. And I'm gonna do this all black.
Nice.
It's gonna look pretty good. I'm gonna do the trunk too, but I gotta get it set to do it. Because if it cuts here, I'm thinking I just follow this line.
There you go, yeah.
The trunk. That way it wraps around the whole car.
That'll work.
Scrape up the brakes.
I mean, you could just unhook the hinges on the bottom. Those are springs. Yeah. If you just unhook the spring underneath it, then it'll just stay shut.
Yeah.
like I do.
I was thinking that, or at least just taking it off completely.
Yeah, I mean you could do that too. But I just meant to keep it shut for the time being. You just unhook the spring, those bars, or like little torsion springs. Those come off, and just stay shut. Idea. Just goes out here painting away. Cause you gotta have your race car painted. Can't be like me, just go out with a black race car with duct tape numbers.
This is half the fun for me.
Yeah.
If you check out this side, you can kind of see what I'm doing here.
Well, part of it with those, you gotta be a lot closer. Yeah. There you go.
It sucks.
Yeah, it doesn't spray as heavy. Yeah, no, I see what you're going for. I see it.
I think it'll look pretty cool once we take off all the tape. Hopefully by the end of the video, that's the plan.
Yeah, fingers crossed, huh? Yeah, I think it'll look good. I guess we'll check back in on Cody.
The last can here. I will not buy this again, but...
No recommendation for Walmart cheap paint, huh?
Ready?
All right. Oh, yeah. Oh, I was like, it's got a bottom piece still on. Bro, I like the pinstripe. I like the stripe. It's sick. Alright.
Okay.
Okay, okay. I see, I see.
Gotta pull it all at once.
Yeah.
For the effect. Oh, that came out clean.
Yeah, that looks really good actually. Dude, it looks good.
You can see the overspray now.
Yeah, you can on the rest of the car.
Oh.
Well, it's probably mostly dusted. Bro, it looks good.
I'm happy with it.
Heck yeah. I'd be happy with it even if it's not like a normal car. But yeah, most of that comes off.
Oh, nice.
Because it's just dusted. Yeah, that's pretty sick actually.
Oh.
Huh.
Our sticker.
Oh, you peeled off the sticker? No, it's 2 layers of paint. Or 2 layers of tape, isn't it? Or no, or did it come off?
It came off.
Oh, bummer. The Dirt Worshipper sticker is gone. Oh well. I like how Sunfire is 3 colors. Yeah, it turned out pretty clean. Like, I'm actually surprised how. That blue tape does well. Nice clean lines. Yeah, not bad at all, man. I mean, I would die laughing if I saw this in the parking lot, but...
On
right?
a race track? On a dirt track?
Totally good.
Perfect.
Put your number on there, it'll look awesome. I'm down. Now I'm a little jealous. Mine's just all black. Man. Yeah. Just a man. Yeah, it looks cool. Looks the best from this angle. You can get the best shot of it.
It's just shitty enough. I love it.
Yeah, that's great.
It sucks though. The inside side came out better. They're gonna see the right side more.
Oh yeah. Why is this? Yeah, that's this side came out better.
The left side came out better, but they're gonna see the right side more.
Oh, it'll stay. It looks good.
Still doesn't look bad at all.
No. No, not at all, man.
We'll find the sticker to cover that. That'll be good.
Put another slapper bumper sticker on there.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. It's almost like, you know what it reminds me of? If you had a couple more stripes, it's like the rising Japanese flag rising sun thing.
Yeah, because I kind of have it slightly opening up.
Yeah.
That was on purpose. All right.
Now to keep tearing it apart.
So keep tearing. Yep. Now to keep tearing it apart. It needs more white.
Needs more white. White following your stripe on either side.
Yeah, a white pinstripe on the outside of that would go good as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm afraid of that white paint though. It came out so fast.
Looks good though.
Yeah, I'll leave it like that for now.
Yeah, I think it looks awesome.
What was the idea? White electrical tape?
Yeah,
just run a white electrical tape
you could,
on it?
for your pinstriping, do white electrical tape. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be funny. Yeah, it looks good. Couple hood pins. We'll hold the trunk on.
Hood pins, put a pin in the trunk or weld the trunk, something like that.
I say we just put cheap hood pins in it for now. $9 hood pins. Hold it until we got everything done.
Yeah.
Like, it'll stay on. That's all it has to be is secured.
I don't want to pull the seats out.
Why?
We can just drive it.
I mean, you could pull them out and put them back. Put the drivers back in.
True.
I mean, because you still need to get all the carpet, the center console, the dash, the stereo, all the speakers. All that's got to come out. Huh.
It came out so good.
Yeah, it's pretty
The
good.
white stripe was a good idea.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
So we'll definitely be able to do Daytonas. I want to get, if we just do like a stencil, if we make a weird shaped stencil and we put that down and just spray paint it, put it on, spray paint it, I think that'll work.
Make like a wicker basket, like cover up thing.
Well, we're just gonna do the Mountain Dew camo, remember?
Yeah, we were gonna do.
So we'll paint the whole thing green, and then we'll just do like a couple weird shapes, and we'll just go around, like you'll go around with one, I'll go around with another, Daytona will go around with another. We'll each have a color that's different, so it'll be 4 colors: the base green, and then like 3 other greens. And we'll just put those. We'll each have our own shape and that color, and we'll just put that all around, and another guy will put his all around, and that's how you make a camo.
Yeah.
Because there'll be absolutely no pattern to it.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I think that would look cool. And we can try it. Won't cost much. A couple cans of paint and make a stencil or 2. Easy peasy. Yeah, it looks pretty awesome. Get your big
20-inch numbers right there. I'll have it probably one here, one there.
Yep. Yeah, you can take off the door handle too.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to.
Because that doesn't stay where we're going. Then we gotta weld the doors together.
In the mirrors.
And your mirrors. Yeah, you gotta take all that
the
off.
window trim. This all comes off.
Yep. All the plastic, all the rubber.
Okay.
That's what holds the glass in.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's coming along, man.
Yeah.
Coming along, looking good. Need to put my stickers on. Need to bring my car out here. So, what's day today? Today's Saturday? Sunday. Today's Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
Is it really?
Yep. Tomorrow's Sunday.
Nice, we got another day. So basically, if today is Saturday, Thursday is the last day that our tenants can stay in the shop. So, they have to be all moved out, and then we'll have our office and everything. I'm pretty excited about that because they still got crap everywhere. But yeah, all their stuff will be out of here. All their tractors will be out of here. Then we'll have our new shop, the new office building. We'll have to build some more fences. But then we'll be able to haul all the cars here. So we'll have a full video of just like moving cars.
Yeah.
Because we'll move, what, 8 cars we have over there? 9 cars?
Yeah.
8 or 9 cars. We'll haul down here. Then everything will be in one spot. I can't wait for that.
Man.
Like, oh my gosh. You guys don't understand. So, we have some stuff at my house. Cody's got some stuff at his house. We have some stuff here at the new shop location that we're not officially at, but it's 4 acres, so we have room that we're not leasing to somebody else. So that's where we have like these 3 cars. And like those cars, right? The red car and the other Focus and stuff. And then we have stuff out at the Mafia Ranch. And then we have stuff at our storage units, which our storage units are where we're working out of. I guarantee you there's 3,000 square feet of storage units, so not like it's little. Oh yeah, one more sticker. But We have stuff in like 6 different places, and it's about the most annoying thing in the dang world is to have stuff in 6 different places.
Where?
I think higher. Yeah.
Cover up that.
You could, no, I wouldn't. Yeah, put it up there. Yeah. Doesn't really matter. And he's supposed to go upper rear deck is where it's supposed to go.
I mean, that's upper rear deck.
Yeah, you can put it there. We also have stickers that go there too. So we can put a sticker on the rear, sticker on the roof, sticker on each side, and then your name. What number did you go with?
58.
58. Okay. But yeah, stuff's in way too many places, guys, so it'll literally be better just getting all of our stuff in one place. I don't even have that sticker on, Cody.
I know. You didn't know where it went. You still have it, though, don't you?
Yeah, I still got it. It's on my desk. Now that it's official.
I painted like I put on stickers.
Nice. IMCA Weekly Racing. Now we got to get some Auto Mafia racing stickers for it. We'll get the little ones for the front, for the contingency stickers.
Yeah.
And then we should get like an Auto Mafia. Do a white banner down your stripe. That'll look good.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, I want to do that on mine too. I want to put a big Auto Mafia logo on my hood.
Can we do Auto Mafia Racing?
Like on the
Home
Raptor?
Depot? No, like the Home Depot logo. I'll probably put it up here. But
Yeah.
Like, since this one will kind of.
Yeah, you can just, if you design it and make a picture on, you know, on whatever PicMonkey or whatever, then I can make the actual, I can make the sticker. I can convert it to a vector file and make it into a sticker.
Dude.
So we can make a Home Depot style Auto Mafia Racing. I got what you're saying. Because what are you styling this car after again, Cody?
Tony Stewart. Back in the day, my uncle really liked Tony Stewart. He was really into NASCAR, and since that's what I'm doing, I'm paying homage to that by doing a Tony Stewart style car. It was orange. I figured might as well.
Yeah, sounds good. Alrighty, guys. Well, looks like Cody cleaned up and's done for the day. We went and got some dinner. Came out good. Look at these cars. I'm so stoked. We'll get all 3 of them. Then we'll have mine back here. Once we get it all here, we'll have our fleet of IMCA Sport Compact Racers. Get Cody's white numbers on there, the Auto Mafia Racing stickers. Get our cages built. I'm trying to decide what we're going to do with this one. I think this one we'll build for Tommy. And let's see what he wants to do with it. So Tommy, this is going to be your car, the silver one, to do Sport Compact Racing if you want to. So, got to figure out a paint design. He's got his. Got to figure out yours. Daytona is going Mountain Dew. We're going to paint it all green.